The birthday party. Hello, my name is Thomas. I want to tell you a story about my birthday party. It was a very special day for me. It was Saturday morning. I woke up early. I was very excited. Today was my 10th birthday. I got out of bed quickly. I ran to the kitchen. My mom and dad were there. "Happy birthday, Thomas," they said. They gave me big hugs. "Thank you," I said with a big smile. My mom asked, "Are you ready for your party?" "Yes," I said. "I can't wait." My party was at 2 p.m. I had a lot of time to get ready. First, I ate breakfast. I had my favorite cereal with milk. Then I took a shower and got dressed. I put on my new blue shirt and my best jeans. At 12 p.m., my mom started to make the cake. It was a chocolate cake. Chocolate is my favorite. The smell was so good. I wanted to eat it right away, but I had to wait. My dad started to put up decorations. There were balloons of many colors: red, blue, green, and yellow. He also put up a big sign that said, "Happy Birthday, Thomas." It looked great. At 1 p.m., my best friend Billy came over. He wanted to help. We blew up more balloons. We also set up the chairs and tables in the backyard. The weather was nice and sunny. "This is going to be a great party, Thomas," Billy said. "I think so too," I replied. At 1:30 p.m., the doorbell rang. It was my grandma and grandpa. They gave me a big hug. "Happy birthday, Thomas," they said. "We brought you a present." "Thank you," I said. I was very happy to see them. More people started to arrive. My friends from school came. My cousins came too. Everyone brought presents. I put them all on a big table. At 2 p.m., the party started. We played many games in the backyard. We played tag, hide and seek, and musical chairs. It was so much fun. Then it was time for cake. My mom brought out the big chocolate cake. It had 10 candles on it. Everyone sang happy birthday to me. I made a wish and blew out the candles. Everyone clapped. We ate cake and ice cream. It was delicious. After that, it was time to open presents. I got many nice things: books, toys, games, and clothes. I thanked everyone for their gifts. The party went on until 5 p.m. We played more games and had more snacks. When it was time to go, I said goodbye to all my friends and family. I thanked them for coming. After everyone left, I helped my parents clean up. We were all tired but happy. "Did you have a good birthday, Thomas?" my dad asked. "Yes," I said. "It was the best birthday ever." That night, I went to bed feeling very happy. I thought about all the fun I had at my party. I was thankful for my family and friends. I couldn't wait for my next birthday. But wait, the story isn't over yet. The next day was Sunday. I woke up late because I was tired from the party. When I went to the kitchen, I saw my mom and dad. "Good morning, Thomas," my mom said. "How do you feel?" "I feel great," I said. "Yesterday was so much fun." "We're glad you enjoyed it," my dad said. "But we have a surprise for you." "A surprise?" I asked. "What is it?" "We're going to the zoo today," my mom said. I was so excited. I love the zoo. I quickly ate my breakfast and got ready. We got in the car and drove to the zoo. At the zoo, we saw many animals. We saw lions, tigers, and bears. We saw monkeys swinging in trees. We saw colorful birds and big elephants. My favorite was the giraffe. It was so tall. We had lunch at the zoo. I had a hot dog and French fries. For dessert, I had ice cream. It was a perfect day. On the way home, I said, "Thank you, Mom and Dad. This was a great surprise." "You're welcome, Thomas," they said. "We're happy you had fun." When we got home, I was tired but happy. I thought about my birthday party and the zoo trip. It was the best birthday weekend ever. The next day was Monday. It was time to go back to school. I was excited to see my friends and tell them about my party and the zoo. When I got to school, my friends were waiting for me. "Hi, Thomas," they said. "How was your birthday?" I told them all about the party and the games we played. I told them about the cake and the presents. Then I told them about the zoo trip. "Wow," my friend Sarah said. "That sounds like so much fun." "It was," I said. "I wish we could have a party every day." In class, our teacher, Ms. Johnson, asked if anyone had news to share. I raised my hand. "Yes, Thomas," she said. "I had my birthday party on Saturday," I said, "and I went to the zoo on Sunday." "That's wonderful," Ms. Johnson said. "Would you like to tell the class about it?" I stood up and told everyone about my weekend. They all listened and smiled. Some of my classmates asked questions about the zoo animals. After school, I walked home with Billy. We talked about the party and made plans to play together soon. When I got home, my mom was there. "How was school, Thomas?" she asked. "It was great," I said. I told everyone about my party in the zoo. They all thought it was cool. "I'm glad you had a good day," my mom said. "Now, do you have any homework?" "Yes," I said. "I have some math problems to do." I sat down at the kitchen table and started my homework. As I worked, I thought about how lucky I was. I had a great family, good friends, and fun experiences. When I finished my homework, I helped my mom make dinner. We had spaghetti, my favorite meal after pizza. After dinner, I played with my new toys from the party. I read one of my new books, too. It was about space and planets. I learned a lot. Before bed, I brushed my teeth and put on my pajamas. My dad came to say goodnight. "Did you have a good day, Thomas?" he asked. "Yes, Dad," I said. "I had a great day, and a great weekend, too. Thank you for everything." "You're welcome, son," he said. "We love you very much." He gave me a hug and turned off the light. As I lay in bed, I thought about all the happy memories from my birthday. I felt very lucky and grateful. I closed my eyes and fell asleep with a smile on my face. I dreamed about my party, the zoo animals, and all the fun I had. I couldn't wait to see what other adventures I would have as a 10-year-old. The next morning, I woke up feeling happy and refreshed. I got ready for school and went downstairs for breakfast. My mom had made pancakes, another one of my favorites. "Good morning, Thomas," she said. "Are you ready for another day?" "Yes, Mom," I said. "I'm excited for school today." As I ate my pancakes, I thought about how much my life had changed now that I was 10 years old. I felt bigger and more grown up. I decided I would try to do more to help my parents and be a good example for my younger cousin. At school, we had a special art class. The teacher asked us to draw our favorite memory. I knew right away what I wanted to draw. I drew a big picture of my birthday party with all my friends and family around the cake. I added the balloons and decorations too. When it was time to share our drawings, I showed mine to the class. Everyone liked it, and the teacher put it on the wall for display. After school, I had soccer practice. I ran faster and kicked harder than ever before. My coach noticed and said, "Great job, Thomas. You're really improving." I felt proud and happy. It had been a wonderful few days, full of fun, love, and new experiences. I couldn't wait to see what other adventures were waiting for me as a 10-year-old. And that's the end of my birthday story. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed living it.